In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this liquid-cooled semiconductor heatsink. And what this is for anyone that does any type of mobile gaming and their phone gets overheated, whether it's a phone, laptop, or something like this. This will actually help cool down the internals of the phone, kind of like give you some liquid cooling, similar to how a computer does. I have a computer that has liquid cooling in it. And let me show you how this thing works. So it came, packaged just like this. I did take it out and kind of look over it and see how it looks. But let me show you how this thing works. Number one, look at it. It looks so cool. You see this sitting on a desk, you're like, what in the heck is that thing? I just think it looks really neat, everybody. And they gave you a long cord. I do like the fact they give you this really long cord. You have to undo it here. So taking that off, we're gonna set that right there like that. And then you have to plug this thing in. Now it uses a USB-C, so I'm gonna grab a little small power bank and show you how this thing works. You get a little cleaning kind of tool right here for cleaning it off. This also has wireless charging, everybody. They gave you some covers for your thumbs. If your thumbs are getting too hot, you can use that right there. And right here is a little magnetic absorption soaking plate. So whatever the heck this thing is, this right here will go on the back of the phone. You'll put that on there and it kind of helps, watch this. We'll actually put this on here like that. See how that kind of works, just like that. So if I want to put the, if I want to glue this, it's actually got a peel and stick on the back. It sticks on there and it helps kind of cool the battery, because the battery in these phones usually run at kind of an L shape like that. So let's go ahead, let's get this thing fired up. And then actually I have a temperature gauge here and I'll be able to check and see what the actual temp of this thing is getting at, because right now, let's check it out. Right now we're looking, it looks like it's about 76 degrees. Now that's the temperature outside, so it's not actually running right now. What is the temperature of my phone? My phone is actually, now it's not running either. My phone's still 81.6 degrees right there. So let's go ahead, let's fire this thing up and see how it works. Okay, I went ahead and plugged it into my little small power bank here, and you can see, I just made it unplugged. So let's go ahead, plug this back in. Just like that. And as soon as you hit that button, it comes on. There's a fan in there. There's the actual cooling plate right here. You see how it just sticks to the phone like that? Wow, everybody, it's already very cold. You see the actual plate? That's how quickly that gets cold. That is showing 24 degrees actually. Look at this. So I don't know how well you can see it in the camera, but you see the black dot in the middle? Watch this, 64 right there. Then you go down to the middle. That is 13 degrees. They're showing that as 13 degrees and there's already ice forming. That cools extremely fast. Now let's look at the back of the phone right here. Right now is 80 degrees right there. You can see the back of the plate right there. Now this would be like, now, let's say I'm gaming right here and I'm playing a game. Now, a lot of times when you're gaming on these phones, they get very hot. So if they start overheating, you're gonna have some issues. You can see right there, I am charging right now. So you double tap it and then the charge starts coming up. You have to stay kind of right on it right there. You see the charge is actually charging. And then you'll sit here and you play, so you're charging and you're getting, your phone cooled all at the same time. Look at that little pouch right there over the Apple logo. Oh wow, that's 67 degrees right there. I am 92 up there. You see how the battery runs in these phones? It runs in kind of like an L shape, but look at how right there in the center of my phone is like 60 degrees right in that, right there in that middle. And then it's like 90 up here on the top. So this thing actually really works. That works well, everybody. Yeah, and as soon as I put it on, mine starts charging right away. This is something I recommend for any serious gamer that wants to kind of keep their devices cool while they're playing and actually charge at the same time. Look, there's ice building up on this thing. If you want to add more water to it, about every 3 to 6 months, you'll put water right down in that hole right there. I don't want to turn it upside down while it's running because it's designed to set like this on a desk, and then you'll just refill it up as you needed. But I think it's something really interesting. This is one of the coolest little devices I've seen in a while for keeping your phone cool. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Nice liquid cooler semiconductor. See you on the next video.